So, the other day, I was hiking with my girlfriend, JoJami. I've known JoJami for years. We met probably around 2007, 2008 when we both used to live near Sarasota, Florida. And since then, we have both just happened to move to Las Vegas, Nevada. And we both live here now, so I see her every once in a while. We went for a hike last weekend, all right? And we hadn't seen each other for a long time, and we got to catch up because of COVID and, you know, cancer and twins and all that kind of stuff. We finally got to catch up, and the cool part about JoJami is she's not only my real friend in real life, but she also had joined my Eat to Live family, which is my monthly group coaching membership, right? How cool is that? That like just a girlfriend of mine, you know, learned about Eat to Live from me, and then she wanted to join the family to get the support and camaraderie. And I was asking her, like, actually, what is your favorite part about being in the family? And she's like, it's the challenges. Because when you're in the Eat to Live family, you get a free 21-day challenge every quarter. New recipes, brand new recipes, grocery list, meal plans, all that kind of stuff, right? So everyone in the family gets a free 21-day challenge, and then we all do it together. So we're, you know, camaraderie, all doing this challenge together, helping each other, sharing recipes, you know, tweaks and things like that. And so she said that her favorite thing about it so far was the 21-day challenge, because we had just done a 21-day challenge all together. You know, there's hundreds of people in the Eat to Live family. We sort of have this awesome, I mean, it's like a family, right? Like camaraderie, helping each other out, supportive and all that. So she said that she loved the challenges. She'd actually never done one of my challenges before. And so this being a perk of the Eat to Live family, she just loved it. But I wanted to tell you something that she said. So we were sitting here hiking, and we were doing what you call Hell Hill, which is a very tough hill. It's short, but it's just very steep, right? Other people call it 5-stop hill. Get the idea, right? So we're talking, and I'm asking her, what's your favorite thing about the challenges? Like, what did you like about the challenge? And she said, we actually stopped for a minute because so she could just talk. And we were looking at each other, and she's like, it was the moment after I had done all the prep for the challenge. She's like, one day I came home, my husband and I were really busy, came home, was really hungry, opened up my fridge, and all of my meals were just done for the day. She's like, all I had to do was take it out. She's like, looking into my fridge was just like this moment, right? And it was so exciting for me because she's a girlfriend in real life. You know, it's not like I met her online or something. I know her from real life, and she joined the Eat to Live family so she could learn more about Eat to Live, because she really loves this healthy eating lifestyle. She always wanted to learn how to eat healthier and consistently and all that. And so hearing her tell me this was just so fun, that she gets so much out of our challenges, right? And I have heard this for years. We've been doing this style of challenge since the beginning of 2019, so years, and we have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds. I think last time we did these challenges, just for the general audience, we had like over 800 people doing this challenge all together, right? And so to hear her talking about what she got out of it was just this like breath of fresh air, because in our challenges, we give you all of the prep instructions. So we're not just like, here's a bunch of recipes, make them, right? We're gonna give you the grocery list. We think of everything down to telling you exactly when to prep which part of each recipe. So like today you're gonna make the lentils for tomorrow's recipe. Tomorrow you're gonna saute the mushrooms and pre-portion them out so they're ready. The next day you're gonna freeze the bananas, this many bananas, whatever. So we break everything down for you so you don't have to think about a thing. And that is what my friend JoJami said was her favorite thing about the challenge, and also being in the Eat to Live family, was just that ability to not even have to think about the food anymore, right? It was so fun to hear that from her. So I wanted to tell you this because we have another free 5-day challenge coming up. Audience-wide, anyone can join. It's free, it's public, and you also get the support of the High Nutrient Lifestyle group, so you can kind of get an idea for what it might be like if you were in the Eat to Live family. Okay, so consider joining this upcoming free 5-day challenge. It starts on November the 1st, and it's going to be available the week before, so you can start to wrap your head around it, get your groceries, get prepped and ready to go, hit the ground running for 5 days of the easiest healthy eating you've ever had in your life. We're going to show you exactly what to do, how to do it, what to buy, everything, and you're going to be doing it with hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of other people. So you'll get that camaraderie, you'll get that motivation, and what you're gonna come away with is the understanding of how to eat to live, how to do the rhythm of it so that it fits into your life, so that it's easy, okay? We're gonna show you exactly how to do that. And if anything, even if you don't do the challenge, you might as well download it, because you're gonna get free recipes and meal plans and grocery lists for free. You don't have to do anything. You just enter your email address, right? Okay? So we'd love to see you in this upcoming Eat to Live challenge. It starts on November 1st. Get ready. We wanna see you in there. Just enter your email address. We'll see you when it happens. And then just keep in mind the Eat to Live family, which is all of that plus so much more, I'll be telling you about that to come, is opening up the week right after that, starting on November 8th, okay? So join the 5-day challenge. It's free. We'll send you the PDF right away, and we'd love to see you in there, and we'll see you around soon. Bye.